name is Joanne Moss. I am the Director of Marketing here at Standard Electric Supply Company, and welcome to our October Hot Products video. Today, we're going to do something a little bit differently. I have with me, first and foremost, Pepperl+Fuchs. I have Brandon Roy and Brad Beal, who are going to tell us more about their IIoT Starter Kit. Next, we're going to learn more about the Schneider monolithic designed Harmony push button series. And finally, we're going to hear about the Rittal Blue E+ filter fans. So without further ado, Brandon, why don't you kick us off?
Thanks, Joanne. Yeah, today we have a really cool product or kit to tell you guys about. It's the Pepperl+Fuchs IoT and IO-Link Starter Kit. So as you can see here, the unique thing about this is it's one part number. You don't have to put together a complete bill of materials like people are used to doing if they're diving into an IO-Link or IoT type project. But I'll open the box here quickly, and you can see some of the components that you get with this kit. So we have a ICE2 IO-Link master from P&F, a power supply, an unmanaged Ethernet switch, and then a few different IO-Link sensors. So we have a RFID read head, a photoelectric distance sensor, and a P&F inductive sensor. And so again, Brad was really the driving force behind this idea, and so I'll let him introduce himself and talk more.
Hi, thanks Brandon, appreciate it. Hi everybody, I'm Brad Beal, Director of Global IoT Solutions for Pepperl+Fuchs, and talking about the IoT Starter Kit and really bringing this from concept to reality here. The main reason that we wanted to bring this to market was to give customers, systems integrators, an easy way of starting to use IoT and really cloud computing, giving customers a way of sensorizing their machines. We like to say giving your machines a voice, but being able to find a way to start using IO-Link and finding the new innovative ways of using IO-Link with your machines for any type of sensing technology. What the driving force of this was intended for was getting into cloud computing to enable a number of different applications such as condition monitoring. You have preventative maintenance or predictive maintenance for any type of machine out there. If you have conveyor applications for logistics, or in the process area, if you have asset monitoring for switchgear, turbine fans, or centrifugal pumps for gas applications, and a number of other applications, we wanted to give an easy way of just dropping in some sensing components, whether it's going to be the sensors that come with this kit, or as you can order as accessories, our vibration sensors to do a vibration sensing application for turbines and, like I said, centrifugal engines and pumps. You can also use this in factory applications for paint spray booths and other applications where you want to keep track of the fan process, the fan blades to detect bearing wear, and some other applications like that. But this is really meant to be an easy way of connecting into the cloud, giving you the certificates and the MQTT connectivity, as well as OPC-UA, to directly connect into your software systems with software packages like Aviva, or if you also might find customers that are using Ignition, as well as built-in applications that we work with other customers for digital twin solutions such as Bosch Digital, as well as GE Digital in an AWS or Azure environment. So, and one thing that we'd like to say is it includes everything in the kit that you would need, from the power connectors, cables, power supplies, Ethernet connectors, as well as the sensor cables. And if you want to experience this kit, all you need is to order it up through Standard Electric, have data, power, and a screwdriver, and you're ready to go.
Yeah, so if anyone's interested in ordering one of these products, feel free to reach out to your Standard Electric rep. They'll be happy to share more information with you.
Thanks, Brad. Thanks, Brandon. That is an amazing solution in a box. I'm very excited to be offering that to my customers. So thank you for that. Now we're going to turn our attention to the monolithic designed Harmony push button from Schneider Electric. So if you want to learn more about that push button, please just reach out to your account manager from Standard. And finally, let's take a look at the Rittal Blue E+ filter fans. So once again, if you're interested in getting a quote on the Blue E+ filter fans, or on the Schneider push button, or on the P+F IoT starter kit, all you have to do is reach out to your account manager from Standard Electric, and they'll be glad to help you out. So thank you so much for joining us today. Thank you, Brad. Thank you, Brandon. And we will see you next month at the November Hot Products. Thank you.